On a scale of 1 to 10, how delicious is that?
13 out of 10. Cyberfish. You're missing cyberfish. How cool is that? You see them blinking too.
That's their eyes.
How many eyeballs can you count? It's a freckle.
It's pregnant?
It's a freckle. It's ginormous. It's a floofy water horse. Whoa, this place is jumping. Isn't he a beauty?
He is a beauty.
He's majestic. Tan, 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 tan. Tan, 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 tan.
Just drifting away.
A very aggressive floater. The starfish.
The urchin, you mean?
Yes, that thing. Louis, hi friend. The sea witch.
Hmm?
The sea witch.
The sea witch? It's a giant fish.
Fishy. Oh, they're very aggressive.
Bet they are.
Like me. I'm vicious. The shark comes from time probably.
No, I don't think it's connected.
He carries baby in his head. There's a tadpole. Oh, come closer this way. You see the tadpole?
Yeah.
Tadpole.
The tadpole.
And then 2, 3 more. Abundant over here. We got our money worth. All the frog you can see.
And some rabbits.
Hi, my name is Hedwig.
Hedwig?
And Hogwarts is real.
Hogwarts is not real.
Hogwarts is real. And Hedwig's gonna come and take me to school. You want flashlight? Oh no, flashlight.
Well, these are amazing, guys.
It's abundant. that one is eating that one. Ah, go away, go away. You little rascal, you. Oh. Shut back.
You just got resting on there, guys.
Did you see this?
Went to go St. Andrew.
Me and Mommy already got a picture of it. Oh yeah, I finally got my list. I got.
Why does owls always look like they're judging you? Yeah, you too, man. You too. Lobster.
That's a lobster?
That's a big lobster.
Oh, that is a big lobster. I didn't even notice him.
He looks yummy. He looks delish.
Okay, you need to stop that. We're about to go eat, okay?
We're from Florida. We're from Miami.
Where are we now?
We're at the cat exhibit and we're about to see some beauty. Isn't it so cute? I think she's a mama.
You think she's a mama?
Yeah, was. She's not a pig.
Why do you think that?
We're about to witness some spectacular show. Will the kitty get up or not? Will she or will she not? To be continued. Nope, not today.
She's just doing laps around the place, huh? Exercise? Hey Al,
Huh?
what is a group of flamingos called?
A flamboyant.
We were just there, weren't we?
Yeah, right there. That fishy should lay that right there. He should have bum bum.
You too lazy to swim?
Yeah. Not too short to grip.
What's going on?
Oh, this fish. Oh, this walking and fishy makes me hungry. Can we go eat now?
Yeah.
Okay. It could have been us. Because we early. So we like a private school field trip.
Have you ever been on a field trip?
Yeah.
What was your last field trip?
We went to the mall because we went to public school. That was really exciting. Yeah.
So, how was it?
This place was absolutely amazing. Like, I cannot believe that like nobody talk about Dallas World Aquarium.
And half of it's not even an aquarium.
And it was like a lot of strange animal, exotic cool thing you never saw before. It was like,
Hold on. That music
yes,
is absolutely from Pandora.
for sure. It is the orchestra soundtrack of Pandora. Which way did we came from?
Over there.
Sure.
Yep.
Remember that guy get out of that place.
I know, but I went back to go get the battery, remember?
Oh, you went twice. So anyway, it is. I cannot begin to tell you how spectacular it was inside and how amazing it was, and I cannot recommend it strongly enough. Tell all my friends and family. I don't know. Yes, strong yes. Do come here, okay? 10 out of 10. Favorite.
So what are we gonna go do now?
We're gonna get some dim sum. You want some?
Boom!
We here. This is yummy food, and this place called Garden Dim Sum on Jupiter Garden. And here's our food. You want any?
Let's get one.
Chicken dumpling? Yes. Nice. Oh, that's my favorite. Thank you. Delicious. Sticky rice. Sticky rice. Yes. Thank you. Barbecue pork buns?
No, thank you.
And will this one come out? Awesome. I want, yes, one order. Okay. Actually, two order. Do this. And then one of this. So there's two ways of dining. You can, okay, I'll make a note. So you can wait for them to show the card to you, and then point whatever you feel tickle your fancy. If you don't know what you want, ask the lady. She's really nice. She'll tell you what she recommended to you. Or the second way to order is you open this little nifty convenient book, and then whatever make you feel happy, and you point it to the lady and you say, would quickly have 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5 of it. And then you will have many happinesses you can have. Look at it. Okay, this is how we like to enjoy our dim sum. First, we put 2 spoons of chili oil in, and then we add this beauty in. It's a typical soy sauce, you know, but don't bring so much because it's wasteful. And then we put this heat out, and then you put this, and then you put this. They taught me this, and you put this, and you tuck it under. So that way your soy sauce remain in my face. And then good night. Like this one. This is shrimp. Okay, if for what those cannot use chopstick, do the slapping. Because I do the slapping. It's so good. It smells super fresh. And when you dip it in here, And this one is a sticky rice. And they're delicious. It smells like lotus. Run in. So good. Check it out. I need a little soy sauce though. But this. Now you see if this smells good. Soft. It melts in your mouth. That's one get 10 out of 10.
Why are you making that face?
No, Hannah, shrimp. You have shrimp in yours and Hannah shrimp. What? Why me Hannah shrimp?
Better?
Thank you.
Okay.
But I should scam you. You need shrimp in your life. You need that. We just done stuffing our face and everything very delicious. Then we couldn't finish it because we were losing. So this half is back for to go, but here is a payment system. You see the nice lady been circle all this colorful thing. This is what we've been eating, and they don't count the based on item. They count them on size. So we have a small, medium, and large, and extra large. They have prices. You know exactly what you're eating. Hello, and now to the next program, we shall go to buy some stuff. A no boring thing. If you like to see what we do, please do follow. Also, don't forget, homies, subscribe and hit like right here, somewhere here. I don't know. The editing guy haven't told me where. I just been told I need to do this. Thank you very much. See you later.